You are here because you want to use AI to make Zack film-style videos. I made high-quality videos using AI and it cost me $0. I got results like this within 2 weeks of creating a new channel. So if you enjoy the video, make sure to follow my socials and also subscribe as I post a video every 6 to 7 days. Let's get started. To start, we are going to come up with an actual idea. This is where you have to use your brain a bit because AI can come up with an idea, but you are a human. You are so much more creative. An idea I came up with whilst taking a dump was this one. How starfish regenerate their limbs. Input this prompt into ChatGPT, along with this other prompt, which you can find in the description below. Wait a couple of minutes, and after you get your result, copy it and open Claude AI. Paste the text from ChatGPT and use the prompt in the description. I am using a shorter version because I played these games before. After inputting the prompt, just wait 5 to 10 minutes for your script to be generated. After the script has been created, you can copy it and open Blender. Once you open Blender, you should see something like this. On the top corner, click Script, and then press New. Paste your script and press the Run button. After running, go to Layout, and then you should press Z on your keyboard and select Rendered. This is what the final version of your animation will look like. After doing this, I just like to smooth every single object to make it look better. Click A on your keyboard and right-click and press Shade Smooth. Do this for the whole thing, every keyframe. Sorry, I am not an expert in Blender animation. If you know better alternative, please let me know in the comment below. After finishing and making it look nice, we are going to fix the camera angle. Claude doesn't actually know how to adjust camera, so we need to do this ourselves. You click the camera in the scene collection, and then you press 0 on your keypad, which will give you the TikTok format view. After this, you click G on your keyboard and press Z, X, or Y axis to move the camera accordingly. Usually, I just do Z-axis and zoom it out. We move the timeline arrow so it's inside the orange diamond. We know it in the right spot when the color of the 3 numbers changes. This means we are inside the keyframe. After you have the right camera angle, you move your mousepad inside the yellow or orange numbers on the right and press I on your keypad. This will change the keyframes. Do this for every single one using your judgment to see what the viewer would prefer. After we finished this, we are ready to output the video. Go to Output section on the right and select which file you would like. Then, follow the instruction like on the video for best settings. After, you can go to Render on top right and press Render Animation. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the animation. You can see how many frames it's being processed. Our one was 800 frames, so once it reaches that, it should be ready. Once it's completed, we can start by downloading the voice. I usually use 11 Labs for this. Just paste the script from ChatGPT and make the voice. My favorite for Shorts and TikTok is Mark Natural Conversations. Once you got the voice and video, we can start editing it on CapCut. I usually like to add a non-copyright song to the video, which makes it more interesting. I make sure to speed up the voice so it keeps the viewer watching. And once you are happy with the editing, you should get a final result looking something similar like this.
What happens when a starfish loses an arm? First, it seals the wound to protect itself. Then, nearby cells change into repair cells. Those cells move into the damaged area and begin rebuilding the missing arm. A tiny arm bud forms first. Then, it slowly grows longer. As it grows, the sea star rebuilds important structures like skin, internal tissues, tube feet, and nerves. This takes months, not minutes. So, a sea star does not magically regrow an arm. It rebuilds it step by step.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know how I can improve this, and remember to subscribe for more AI tutorials like this.